You have been staring at a blank page for 45 minutes. You know what you want to say. But the words are not coming. Or they are coming, just slowly, painfully, and inconsistently. And when you finally finish, you read it back and it sounds nothing like what you had in your head. If that is your writing process in 2026, I want to tell you something directly: that struggle is now optional. Because the writers publishing more, performing better, and maintaining a consistent voice across everything they produce, they figured out something most people still haven't. And this video is going to show you exactly what that is. Welcome to Techinova Magazine AI. Today I am breaking down the best AI tools for writers in 2026, not a generic list, but a tool-by-tool guide organized around the 3 things every writer actually wants: better quality, faster output, and consistency you can maintain without burning out. Stay with me, because the last tool on this list is the one most writers overlook, and it might be the most useful one here. Let me set the stage with a few numbers that explain why this matters right now. 90% of content marketers are using AI writing tools in 2026. Writers using AI report saving an average of 11 hours per week. Teams publish 42% more content per month after adopting AI. And according to MIT Sloan research, writers using AI tools spend 30% less time producing content while outputting up to 50% more. These are not projections. These are measured results from real writing teams in 2026. The question is not whether AI helps writers. The question is which tools help with which parts of the process. Tool 1 for writing better: Claude. If you have ever submitted a piece of writing and gotten feedback like it is good but something feels off, Claude is the tool that tells you exactly what that something is. Paste in your draft and ask for specific feedback on structure, argument clarity, tone, transitions, and whether your opening actually hooks the reader. The feedback is direct, detailed, and organized, not vague encouragement. Writers using Claude for editing report that it catches problems they have read past 10 times and missed. It is also exceptional at maintaining a specific voice. Give it examples of your best writing and it learns to evaluate new drafts against that standard. For long-form writing, this is the editing partner most writers do not have access to. Tool 2 for writing better: Grammarly. This one is not new, but what it does in 2026 is significantly more sophisticated than people realize. Beyond catching grammar and spelling errors, Grammarly now analyzes tone, clarity, engagement, and delivery in real time as you type. It flags sentences that are too complex for your target audience. It identifies when your writing shifts tone unexpectedly. It tells you when a paragraph buries its main point. The free version handles the fundamentals. The paid version adds full sentence rewrites and goal-based suggestions based on who you are writing for and what you want them to do. For writers who produce high volumes of content, having this running in the background is like having a copy editor reviewing every sentence before it leaves the screen. Tool 3 for writing faster: ChatGPT. The blank page problem is where ChatGPT earns its reputation. Instead of starting from nothing, describe what you want to write in 2 or 3 sentences and ask ChatGPT for 5 different angles. Ask it for an outline of a long-form piece. Ask it to write an opening paragraph 3 different ways so you can see which direction feels right. You are not using it to write for you, you are using it to eliminate the startup cost of every writing session. Research shows that 93% of AI writing users say the primary reason they reach for AI is speed. Getting from zero to something you can work with is the highest friction moment in any writing task. ChatGPT eliminates that friction entirely. Tool 4 for writing faster: Jasper. If you write marketing content, ads, landing pages, email campaigns, product descriptions, Jasper is built specifically for this. It generates on-brand marketing copy faster than any other tool, and because it can be trained on your brand voice and past content, the output sounds like your brand from the first draft. Teams using Jasper for marketing copywriting report cutting production time by more than half. The AI understands marketing frameworks, AIDA, PA, before-after bridge, and applies them automatically to the type of content you specify. For writers who spend significant time on commercial content, this is the tool that changes the economics of their work. Tool 5 for writing more consistently: QuillBot. Consistency is the hardest thing to maintain in high-volume writing. Your third article of the day sounds different from your first. Your summary is worded differently than your conclusion. QuillBot solves this with a paraphrasing engine that allows you to rework any sentence or paragraph while keeping the core meaning intact, standardizing language, improving flow, and helping you avoid the repetitive phrasing that creeps into high-volume output. Its summarizer also cuts research time dramatically. Paste in a long source document and get the key points in 60 seconds. For writers producing multiple pieces per week, this is the consistency tool that pays for itself immediately. Tool 6 for writing more consistently, Notion AI. Scattered notes are the enemy of consistent writing. When your research is in 10 different places, your outline is in a document you cannot find, and your ideas from last month are buried in a folder you never open, your writing reflects that chaos. Notion AI gives you one organized workspace for everything: notes, outlines, research, drafts, and reference material. The built-in AI can take a messy set of notes and turn them into a structured outline. It can summarize a long research document into bullet points. It can generate follow-up ideas from a topic you have already written about. Writers who switch to Notion report that the organizational clarity alone improves their output, because when you can find everything you need before you start writing, you spend less time switching contexts and more time actually writing. Let me give you one framework that ties everything together. Think of your writing process in 3 phases. Phase 1 is research and ideation, ChatGPT for angles and outlines, Notion AI for organizing your sources. Phase 2 is drafting, use whatever you prefer for the first draft, then QuillBot to standardize and tighten the language. Phase 3 is editing and quality, Claude for structural feedback, Grammarly for line-level polish. If you write marketing content, Jasper replaces or supplements ChatGPT in Phase 1 and extends into Phase 2. The tools are not competing with each other. They each solve a different problem in the same process. Now here is the honest part, the thing that every serious writer needs to hear about AI tools in 2026. The writers getting the best results from AI are not the ones using AI to do their writing for them. They are the ones using AI to do their writing better. The ideas still come from you. The voice still belongs to you. The judgment about what is worth saying and how to say it, that is still entirely human. What AI removes is the friction, the blank page, the slow edit, the inconsistency that comes from fatigue. Pure AI content, without human judgment and voice, performs worse, both with readers and with search engines. The winning combination in 2026 is human plus AI, not human or AI. The full guide to every tool in this video, including free versus paid comparisons, specific use cases, and how to set up each one in your workflow, is in the description box below. Tap down there, bookmark it, and share it with another writer who needs it. If this gave you a clearer picture of how AI can actually improve your writing, not replace it, follow Technova Magazine AI. We publish practical AI guides every week. See you in the next one.